So let's first go through how you become a RoSA CPD event organiser. So I'm going to, because I'm going to be talking through it, I'm going to do all the questions at the end, if that's all right. So I know a few questions might come up during this, but I'll do them all at the end. And I'm going to do this using some videos I've produced. So everything that we do starts on the RoSA website, which is, as shown at the top there, is sheepadvisors.co.uk. And we're going to start here. And as you can see, there's lots of different tabs kind of at the top. And the one we're going to go to is events, and then click onto the special tab for CPD event organisers. And this takes you to this page. Now, firstly, there's a bit of information and a few examples, again, of different activities or events that you could get recognised. But the most important thing that you can do on this page is that you can click to become a CPD event organiser there. And this takes you to a pretty simple online form. Now, the first decision you've got to make is whether you're registering as a company or organisation or as an individual. So I'm going to do this example as an organisation, and I'm going to show RoSA as my example as the organisation, but this would be a company or any other organisation that you guys work for. And you have to provide some really simple details: company name, company phone number, an email address, say that you're a UK company, and you can also actually at the bottom of this page, you can add a logo on. So then when you log in onto your CPD Event Organiser page, your logo kind of appears there as well. Now, this is what I was talking about here, that every organisation will have a specific contact allocated to them for organising CPD events. So I'm going to be the lead CPD event organiser for this organisation. So that's me. And this is where, and I'm going to put my contact details in. But this is also where kind of applying as an individual can help. So if you're creating just events on your own, then you don't have to do this kind of company bit. You can do it kind of as an individual. So, yep, you've got to. You're all going to see how old I am now, because I realised I actually did put my date in when I did this video. But yeah, that's how you kind of do it, and we're just moving through into the final part of it. And the final bit is kind of just some address details for that organisation. So, like I say, when I say organisation, or it says here company, that could be anything. It could be an independent organisation, it could be a charity, it could be a group of advisors, it could be a distributor of a feed merchant or a feed manufacturer or AMTRA or anything like that. And this is the final page, and we just click submit, and the little thing will pop up and tell you that your application has been put in, so you know that it has gone through. Now because you've put your contact details in, the information will be sent to you via email. And the first email you'll get is saying, oh, thanks for applying. And once your application has been reviewed, you should receive an email that says you have been created as a RoSA CPD event organiser and you've been added as the main contact. Now, there's also some information here about how you set your password. So we do this by, I'll show you how to do it now, but you'll go back onto the kind of RoSA website, back onto the home page. And as you can see at the top right, there's a little login button. And you can see here, if your username is your email address, so the email you just put in there as you were setting up your kind of login details. So I'm just going to put my email address into there. And as you can see, underneath there's a forgotten password button. So when you create your account, it automatically creates a password for you. And this kind of just sends you an email to let you know what that password is. So as you can see, a little thing will pop up on the screen that says the password reminder email has been sent to your email address. And you'll get an email like the one shown here. So I've got a very imaginative password for my RoSA account, which is a sheep123. But it'll be when you do it for the first time, it'll be a random mixture of kind of numbers and letters. So we'll put that password in, and this will be able to take you to your CPD Event Organisers page. So as you can see, you're in the CPD Organisers area, and there's three things you can do here. We can register an event and add attendance of people who've been to one of your events, which is what we're going to go through after this. But obviously, the other thing you can do is you can also change your password. So you can. This is where you put your current password in, which is the randomly generated one, and then you can put something in that's a bit easier for you to remember. So once you've done that, that's kind of the first step in the process.